Welcome to Paybis. In recent years, the cryptocurrency world has seen rapid growth, but with that growth has come an enhanced focus on security and regulatory compliance. One of the most critical aspects of this is the Know Your Customer, or KYC process. For instance, in 2019, the popular exchange Binance faced scrutiny when it was revealed that some users were bypassing KYC protocols. This led to regulatory crackdowns and the temporary suspension of services in several regions. Similarly, in 2020, the BitMex exchange faced severe legal consequences, including a $100 million settlement with the U.S. Commodity Futures Exchanging Commission, CFTC. These examples highlight how crucial KYC is not just for protecting users, but for ensuring the longevity and legality of cryptocurrency platforms. KYC is more than a regulatory checkbox. It's a safeguard that protects users from fraud, money laundering, and other illicit activities. Without robust KYC measures, exchanges are vulnerable to misuse, which can lead to severe consequences for both the platforms and their users. For those looking to buy and exchange cryptocurrency, understanding and completing the KYC process is essential. While some might be tempted to look for ways to purchase crypto without ID verification, it's important to recognize the risks involved. In contrast, regulated platforms like Paybis requires all users to complete the KYC process to ensure security and compliance with global standards. That's why Paybis is a secure platform for exchanging crypto. Now, let's walk through the KYC verification process on Paybis so you can start exchanging with confidence. How to pass it. After you've created your account, the first step in the KYC process is to submit a government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Ensure that your document is clear and that all information is legible to avoid delays. Next, you'll need to complete a liveness check, which involves taking a live selfie or short video. This step ensures that the person submitting the documents is indeed the same as the person in the ID. Be sure to choose a bright area and remove any accessories that could obscure your face, like hats or glasses. Paybis has streamlined this process to be as quick and efficient as possible, with most verifications completed within minutes. However, depending on your country of residence, you may need to provide additional documentation, such as proof of address or information about your source of income. Additionally, if a residence permit is required, ensure that you upload both sides of the document. It is common for customers to upload only one side and then encounter issues with processing. These extra verification steps are necessary to comply with local regulations. Successfully completing the KYC process unlocks the full potential of your Paybis account, allowing you to exchange crypto with higher deposit limits. Remember, if you encounter any issues or have questions during the verification process, the Paybis support team is always ready to assist you. Ready to start? Sign up today and begin your secure crypto journey with Paybis. Paybis, where ease meets security and innovation.